Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this RECARO Exo neck support pure black. We have here an optimal comfort accessory. It's compatible with our RECARO Exo seats. It's developed by ergonomics experts. We have here the best possible support for the head and neck muscles. And padded and breathable fabrics. It is available in different colors on the market. Here you can see the Exo Black version. It is also available in Exo B and G if you like that. We have here the complete redesigned neck support from RECARO. This is an optimal comfort accessory for the RECARO Exo, the Exo FX, and the Exo Platinum seats out there. Developed by ergonomics expert, the neck support provides the best possible support for the head while relieving the strain on the neck muscles. The accessory consists of a padded and converted foam part with a holder, and it is attached to the head or neck area of the gaming chair. No tools are required for this. For the ideal comfort support, the perfect compression hardness of the foam part was ensured in extensive tests in order to offer the best possible support to gamers of different heights. The neck support can be attached in the standard or turned position in addition to the height adjustment. Users over 1.85 meters should use it turned position. And it's easy to attach, as you can see. Okay, you see how you can mount it is really easy. The neck rest is delivered completely assembled, and the installation is easy. The counter of the neck rest is designed ergonomically. It can be attached to all seats from the RECARO Exo portfolio across all models. There are two installation options depending on different body sizes. Both provide optimal support in the neck area and helps to relieve the neck muscle. For example, you can attach it in a standard position, the foam part in delivery position. That means on the upper side it is the small area, and on the bottom side there is the halo design of it. You can also do it in a turn position installation. The foam parts turn out by 180 degrees. This is optimal for users from a height of 1.85 meters. And of course, we can install and easily remove it. We push the neck rest to a lowest position. We place the holding plate on the arched gap in the backrest of the RECARO Exo and push the holding plate in position. Then we press the neck rest firmly into the backrest to completely full contact between the neck rest and the backrest. Then we select the ideal support zone for us by moving the neck rest up or down. For disassembly, we push the neck rest to the highest position possible. To remove the neck rest from the backrest, we grasp it with both hands and pull it slowly upwards and out. Job's done. And of course we can change the standard and turn position. We push the holding plate on the back of the neck rest to the lowest position. We push the upper operation button inward and move the holding plate down at the same time. The holding plate is now released from the neck support. We turn the holding plate by 180 degrees. We insert the holding plate into the guide rail of the foam plate again. To change from the turn position to the standard position, of course, we have to repeat the previous steps. Job's done, really. And of course, we can remove the cover for clean out, for example. Like the cover of the RECARO Exo, the cover of the neck rest is made of breathable fabric, which supports a good climate even of longer lasting playtime. The cover of the neck rest can be removed from the foam part and then washed. To remove the cover, we take the neck rest in the standard position. We turn it on and pull the cover carefully off the foam part as shown in that video here. We start from the seam point in the top middle After cleaning, we put the cover on the same place in the middle and pull it evenly on both sides over the foam part. We can wash the fabric at a maximum of 40 degrees Celsius in a normal wash cycle. We do not treat with bleach. We use color detergent or mild detergent. We do not tumble dry. We do not iron it. The cover of the headrest is washable, okay? So you can clean it easy peasy. And then, job's done. You can have fun a lot with your RECARO Exo neck support. In this case, it's pure black. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.